3.1. The problem is simplify the following boolean functions using 3 variable maps. So we have to use 3 variable maps and simplify. That means we have to minimize it, or we have to find out the minimized boolean function. So the first problem is f of x comma y comma z equal to sum of in terms 0, 2, 6, 7. Okay, so we have to make a 3 variable map. Here I will write x and in this side y and z. Right here 0 and 1, and then we have to write in gray code fashion. Okay, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0. That means here these values means 0, 0 means y is 0 and z is 0. 0, 1 means y is 0, z is 1. Okay, the first value is for y and second value is for z. Similarly here both y and z are 1, 1. Here y is 1 and z is 0. Here only one variable x, so x is equal to 0 for this line and x equal to 1 for this line. First of all, write down the min term form. This first square will represent m0, m1, then this one m2 and m3, m4, m5, m6 and m7. That means these are the min terms. So we have to write ones for the 0, 2, 6 and 7 min terms. 0 is this one, okay, so we'll write here 1. 2, okay, m2 is here, so we'll write here 1. 6 and 7, 6 is this one and 7 is this one. Okay, all others will be 0. That means these terms are not present. You can write 0 or you can leave them blank also. Okay, now let us combine this to minimize. So first of all, let us combine this. Similarly for this one, we get like this. Okay, from this we can write it as f of x comma y comma z equal to, now let us first consider this term. Here we can see that x equal to 1. Okay, for both these terms x equal to 1, and so we'll write x. Okay, from this side we can see that y equal to 1 for both of these ones. Okay, and z equal to 1 and 0. Whenever we have 1 and 0 in a combination, then we will discard that. Okay, get here. Okay, so we'll write here, from here we will get in this side, so y and z is cancelled, so xy plus, now let us see this term. Okay, so from here we can say that we have x bar, and from these two terms we can see that y has 0 and 1, so y will be discarded, and z that have both 0, so we'll write z bar. Now let us solve the part B. So for part B we have, similarly we have to make a 3 variable map. Okay, here x, y, z. Yeah, I am not writing this m0, m1, m2, m3, okay, like that. Directly I will put the values. 0, 2. 0 is 1, 1, then 2. 2 is 1, then 3. 3 is also 1, then 4, 5 is absent, so 6. All other are 0. This is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. 0 and 1 combined like this will be one term. Okay, these 4 are one term, then this will be another term. Okay, so therefore f of x comma y comma z equal to, we will get from this term we can see that x equal to 0 as well as 1, so x is discarded. Or y also we have here, for these two line, these two column, we can see that y equal to 0 and 1. Okay, so y is also discarded and z has a value of 0 for both. Okay, so we'll write z bar plus, for this term now we'll see we have x, only x bar. Okay, x bar, and from these two column we can say that we have y and z value is 1 and 0, so z will be discarded, so x bar y. So this is the solution of the second part. Now let us go to our third part of the problem. See, now let us make the 3 variable map. This formation will be same for all the problems for 3 variable map. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 7. 0, 1, 2, 3, 7. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So from here we can take like this. This is one term and this is another term. Okay, so we can write it as f of x comma y comma z equal to, so for this term we have x equal to 0, so x bar. Okay, and all the other terms will be cancelled because you see y equal to 0 as well as y equal to 1 is there, okay, for this whole term. And similarly for z we have z equal to 0 and z equal to 1, z equal to 1 and z equal to 0, so z will be cancelled. So x bar plus, for this term we can see that x equal to 0 and 1, so you can discard it. Okay, you cancel x. Then we have y and z, these are both are 1 and 1. Okay, so x bar plus yz. So this is the simplified Boolean function. Now let us solve the part D. F of x comma y comma z equal to sum of minterms form we are given 3, 5, 6 and 7. We have 3, 5, 6, 7. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is this one. 6, 7. So here we have one combination like this. After this there is 0. Okay, for better understanding these values are 0. Okay, so again we can combine like this and combine like this. Okay, so f of x comma y comma z equal to, so let us first consider this term. For this term we have x equal to 1 value, so x, and for y and z we can see y is 0 and 1, so y is cancelled and z is 1, so xz plus, let us consider this term. For this term we have x equal to 0 and 1, so x is cancelled, so we have yz plus, for this term we can see that x equal to 1, okay, so x, and for y and z we can see that it is y. Okay, so it is nothing but xy plus yz plus xz. Okay, so this is the simplified Boolean expression. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please put it in the comment section below. Also like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.